Hello everyone, all my dear students, my beloved teachers and all the valued parents. Myself Mrs. Moshmi, Principal of St. Xavier's High School, Hardoi. Today would like to share a message with you all that is health and the well-being of our students, your children. See, recently we have noticed that our students, some of the students are getting very weak. Even they are falling down in the morning assembly time also. So what we have found out, we did the research work on that, and the things what have come out from there, some of the students, they are coming to the school with an empty stomach. Moreover, the food whatever they are bringing, that is not that much nutritious food. So all my dear valued parents, here is a request to you all. Let us work together for our students, those who are the future of our nation. We all must have to take care of their health, and we, the Xaverians, take lot of care of each and every child. I know the changes cannot come overnight, but what we can do, we all can take the oath together that being the parent, you will be sending the foods such type of which will be nutritious, which will be having the food values. Nowadays children, they are very fond of these sort of food, macaroni, then burger, pizza, pasta, these sort of food, chow mein. But you know, the first and foremost thing about all those foods, that these are all made up of maida, which is very, very harmful for our health. So in place of that, a piece of vegetable, one fruit, if we can, nuts, and the homemade roti paratha with the green vegetables, if you can put it in the tiffin box. Being the parent, we will also feel happy. Yes, I have given the nutritious food to my child, and being the child, he or she will also feel proud to bring the tiffin box with goodness. On the other hand, keeping the small children in our mind, I can suggest one more thing. Just weekly, one day you can keep as a cheat day. That can be Sunday. That will be the day when you can allow your child to have pizza, burger, chow mein, macaroni, whatever they want. But keep it in the mind that will be only once in a week. So my dear parents, just take the commitment today itself that we will be sending the nutritious food to our child. And for that, if you want to get any sort of help, in our Xavier's, the staff are always available to help you out. Thank you so much for watching and for being the part of Xavier's.